Hello, in this video I'm gonna tell you how to fix your microphone not working on your Samsung Galaxy Tab S11 Ultra. Okay, so if you wanna fix your microphone not working, you should first try cleaning the microphone port with a non-metallic tool so you don't break the microphone with, for example, a soft brush or compressed air, and microphone port is right here. This little dot on the left side of the tablet, if you're holding it horizontally with the camera on the top, right here, then the microphone port is going to be there. And from as far as I'm concerned, this is not the only microphone port, because there's also two here above the camera, and that will be about it about the microphone port. So those three should be cleaned very well, because there may be some debris, and if it builds up, then you know it's stuck in place. Also, you may want to test your microphone in voice recorder app to make sure it works, because if it works in voice recorder, then it's gonna be a problem of the app, and we're gonna try to fix that, but first we need to test it in voice recorder. So let's go further, start, and now the voice recorder needs to be allowed to record audio or any other app that you're using, because if you see, if I click on don't allow, I clicked on don't allow it right now. Now if I go to voice recorder, it's gonna ask me about that again, and I can't use it. So yeah, I'll need to go to the settings. In the settings, go to apps, and yeah, it's gonna prompt me about that. So let's go to settings, let's just go to permissions. I'll show you how to do it for other apps later, but now let's allow only while using the app. Let's go back, and now when I start recording, if it shows these lines here when you're speaking and when you're not speaking, if it goes, you know, mute like that, then you know that your microphone is working. And now you can try pausing that and try listening to it. So let's click on save, and now let's try playing it. Probably have the volume all the way down. And when you're not speaking, if it goes, yeah, so you can see it works. In my case, if it doesn't, then there's gonna be a problem with your microphone. We're gonna get to that later. If it worked in the voice recording and it didn't work in other apps, then you may need to go to settings, and then go to apps, and in the what is even happening here? Yeah, let's go to those settings. Now let's go to the apps and find the app that you have a problem with that requires the microphone. Go to permissions, and if there's microphone, click on it and make sure it's set to allow only while using the app, or allow all the time if the app is something that requires it. I believe that if I find my Gemini here, it's gonna be somewhere, Gemini, then it's gonna have yeah, it's not gonna have anything. Try activating Gemini. Okay, I'll need to sign in, I don't wanna. But some apps, if they are requiring microphone all the time, like for example I don't know, your calls app, or some app that is triggered by saying something out loud, like Gemini, by saying hey Google out loud, then it requires you to have the microphone permission set to always. But yeah, now let's get to some other things. If your microphone is still not working, or if it's not working even if you're in your voice recorder, then you may need to go to settings, then go to sound, and yeah, as I can see, there's not really much. not much settings about the microphone, so we don't need to do anything here. Try booting into safe mode. To do it, press and hold on power and volume down. So these are the two buttons here, right? Press and hold on them. Then press and hold on power off. Now tap on safe mode. Wait a moment, your tablet is going to boot into the safe mode. It's gonna take a moment, but in the safe mode, all the apps besides the system apps won't be working, which means that if there's an app that affects your microphone performance, you'll see in the safe mode, it'll be fixed. So you can see that lots of apps currently are disabled, and I can't open them because I'm in the safe mode. It says it right here. But you can still try testing the microphone, and we can do it. I'm not really like sure that we can do it in. Yeah, I have an idea. Let's go to settings, and let's go to. Oh, okay. Well, it's not how I expect it to be. Okay, let's try finding an app. It should be something members. Okay, it is disabled and I cannot enable it. It's quite bad. But okay, let's try just going to messages. Maybe it's not available. Phone. Let's try getting the phone. And yeah, we also can't do anything here. So how am I supposed to check if it works? I'll try enabling Wi-Fi. And I'm gonna try connecting. Maybe that'll help if I go to messages now. Okay, yeah, I'm in messages, but I'll need to sign in. Yeah, I'll just like use another phone that I have, or maybe let's just sign in manually. Okay. Okay, now let's agree. I'll just need to quickly, sign in. So we have the messages. Let's continue. I just need to get to like a message. Okay, I'll need to get my phone and open the Google Messages app. Okay, I managed to pair. I needed to pair with a QR code, and then let's start a chat to like anyone at all, just so we can start recording a voice message. I think we should technically be able to record a voice message here, so I'll try doing that. Well, turns out I'm not. Okay, I'm like surprised a little bit. Okay, I finally managed to know how to check the microphone. So, yeah, I tried like everything, and then I was about to give up. But there's this Google widget, and there's this microphone icon on it, and we can click on it. And if you're speaking, and these bars raise, and it actually recognizes your voice, then you know that it works. So That's how you can check the microphone. If it does that, then it's great. If it doesn't do that in the safe mode, then it's probably some problem with your mic, like a physical problem. But if it recognizes your mic in this button, if you don't have this button, you can just go to Google and click on the microphone here, so it's not a problem at all. Now, if the works, then here, then there's probably some app that affects the performance, so try uninstalling apps that may cause some issues, especially apps that have been downloaded from unknown sources, or apps that just have that are unknown, you know. Now I'm gonna exit the safe mode and we're gonna do the last thing, so let's turn the tablet off. Now let's wait a moment and let's turn it on. Pressing and holding on the power button, nothing happens. Okay, it's turning on. So yeah, now the last thing that you can do, besides uninstalling the apps that cause issues, is trying to update your system. So you may want to go to settings, go to software update, and click on download and install. If there's any update available, try installing it. If that update doesn't help, then you may need to service your tablet. Maybe there's a problem with the microphone module, but I think that the update may help, and I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.